Below the world's largest curtain of falling water, Victoria Falls creates its own weather. The spray rises 400 meters into the air and falls as rain year-round, forming a lush riverine rainforest that grows in the Batuka Gorge, right below the falls. In a place known as the Garden of Eden with its beauty and uniqueness. It is the only true rainforest in this part of Zambia and Zimbabwe. The tall riverine forest with thick tree, mahogany, palm, and ashen trees trapped in vines. The rainforest provides life to abundance of bird life and animals. Right in the forest, a certain animal has adapted to the beauty of the forest. The chakma baboon. Troops have lived in the gorge for generations. During wet season, they eat fruits, feed, berries from the rainforest. In dry season, they also forage along the Zambezi River. Chakma baboon is a dino primate that live in a troop of 20 to 100, with one dominant male ruling the troop. A fully grown male can weigh about 30 to 40 kg. They are territorial primate. Females are mated by the most dominant male. The gestation period is 6 months, and a single young is born. Grooming is one of the most important parts in this family. It strengthens the bond and the relationship in the troop. The rainforest is a home to a number of birds that thrive there, with the beauty and abundance of fruits. Both baboons and birds benefit from this beauty. This is the home, the Garden of Eden in Zambia and Zimbabwe.